On today's episode, the F-150 is almost ready to get painted.
I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I'm work. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I'm work. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. I'm up in the morning like 5 in the morning, I'm already on it. So when you just getting out of the box, boy, I'm rounding the corner. This ain't a persona.
What is up, everybody? Welcome to episode number 113 of Inside the Body Shop. I'm going to get straight to the point on this episode. I'm not going to get too in-depth into anything. This episode is pretty self-explanatory, but I spent most of the day working on the F-150 from yesterday's episode. It's just about ready to get painted. I helped with some prep work as well today on that one. Just trying to get it done. Workload was a little light, so I had some extra time to help out with some other things. But that was my day today. Thank you guys so much for clicking that like button and that share button and leaving comments. All the feedback is greatly appreciated. So thank you guys. It means the world to me. And I will talk to you guys tomorrow. Check out my day. All right, I got these doors all fit up. Had to do a bunch of adjustment on them. There's a lot of movement in the design of the hinges on these doors. But I got those fitting good, and the inner piece in there is ready to prime. All inside of there. I'm gonna go ahead and repair this spot right here, and I'm gonna tape this off and get it primed up, get it up to the paint shop. Now the good thing about the design of these doors is they sit in pins. So I can leave the hinges on now, and then whenever after it's painted, because these doors will be painted off of the truck, and after it's painted, it's easy just to sit them on there and they're already in alignment and everything. The only hinge that I will have to take off is this one because I have the work back behind it, but the rest of them, the doors will just fall right in place. I just realized I have a couple flares for that F-150 that I was just working on that I have to repair. Completely forgot about them. Minor stuff, but I'm gonna go and repair these and get them primed up while they're prepping the truck out.